How to do double mining of Ethereum and Kaspa. As you may have seen, recently there has been a new cryptocurrency that has been able to mine doing double mining, where you mine Ethereum and something else, and it gives us extra profit. In this video, we're gonna check how to do this double mining, how profitable it is it a good idea to do this double mining, and what is this crypto, where it comes from, and in general, is it easy to sell it, is a good idea to do the double mining. As always, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, it helps with the channel a lot. If you have any questions, you can write us on the Instagram, and with all that said, let's go! Okay, so here we are, and as you can see right now, I'm double mining Ethereum and Kaspa. Okay, this double mining is very easy to do, and I'm gonna explain how to do it in HiveOs. It has no complications. So first we're gonna do the tutorial, but before we start, I want to show what is the profitability of this. Should we do this double mining? Well, let's start with the profitability. As you may know, there is a website where you can check profitability. You can use what to mine, but sometimes they don't add this double mining stuff. So in the website where you can check how much your graphic card is gonna make with double mining is hashrate.no. Okay, if you go to hashrate.no, you can check depending on which graphic card you have. Okay, if you have 360, 370, 390, how much you're gonna make and with any algorithm, and they also have double mining. So as you can see, they say that Ethereum plus Kaspa is what is making the most in most of them, and in our case we're gonna run the 360 Ti LHR because it's the crypto, well, it's the graphic card that I have. So we go to the 360 Ti, and it says that with Kaspa we are making in revenue around $1.65 a day, while if we only mine Ethereum, it would be 1.44. So I mean, it's right, it's like 20 cents more, that's what they say. So that's profitable, should be all right. We have to think that every card that makes 20 cents more per day, it means that in 1 year it would be around $73 more. So it's not like minuscule, like with time it's a lot of money. So should we do this is the big question. Well, the real question is how much electricity we are using, because as you may know, using Kaspa is going to make you use more electricity. As you can see, if you are paying 0.10 cents per kilowatt, the difference in the consumption of electricity makes that you're only earning 1.22, while in Ethereum you're earning 1.14. So it's only 6 cents difference. That's not that big as before. Why? Well, because you're going to be using more electricity, okay? So now let's go with the tutorial, and after we'll discuss if it's a good idea or not a good idea. So how does this work? As you can see, I'm in HiveOs, and well, we have both of them mining, okay? We are mining Ethereum and we are mining Kaspa. How do we do that? Well, the first thing that we need is a wallet, okay? We're gonna do 3 things. The miner, which in our case, we're gonna use HiveOs to use the miner, the wallet, and the pool, okay? So first, the wallet. For the wallet, just copy this address. You'll have it in the description. It's basically wallet.kaspanet.io. It's a normal wallet that they have, the original one they have in this project. And you just go there and it says create new wallet. You create new wallet, it will give you a password and it will give you a seed phrase. You have to keep that seed phrase because remember, if you lose it, you lose everything you have inside. And it will give you something like this. It will show you the wallet. After that, you will also need to go to the pool. For that, you can go to only one pool, as there is only one pool for Kaspa. If you go to to mining pool stats, where you can see the stats for literally everything you can mine, there's only one pool for Kaspa, which is ACK pool. It's German, if I'm not mistaken. And well, you basically put kaspa.act/pool, and this is the pool we're gonna use. Actually, you don't need to come here to actually see anything now, but you need to know where you're mining because it's where they are gonna pay you, okay? So after we have our pool, which is Kaspa pool, we go back to HiveOs and we go to flight sheet, okay? In my case, hoja de vuelo. So here we will go to edit our flight sheet and we'll put first Ethereum, the first coin that we're gonna mine, the basic one, our wallet and our pool. After our pool, we'll select the miner. Here it's important, we have to select LOL miner, and after selecting the miner, we're gonna go to extra config and we are going to select the last version, okay? It's important that you need the 1.53. If you don't have the 1.53, it's because your HiveOs is not in the latest version. You should go here. You see here my latest version is on black, it means that it's the last one, but if there is a new one, you'll have a button here in orange to upgrade it. Well, you upgrade there your version and then you will have this LOL miner 0.53. I think it's 1.53. So we have to be in the last one, 1.53 or 1.53 beta 3, okay, at least. And after that, we just open this and we have to select the second hash algorithm Kaspa dual, okay? So we select Kaspa dual, we close it, and this will appear. It will appear this, well, basically it will appear in white, but it will appear. And here we have to select cash, okay? We select cash, which is Kaspa, and here we have to add our wallet. We just go to add, we put the address of our wallet, we have here, we just copy it, we paste it, and we put the name, like was wallet for Kaspa, however you want to call it. Then we click in create and we will have it here, okay? So we can choose. In my case, I already have it. You click Kaspa, that's all. And after you have to choose the pool. As I said, there's only one pool, and when you click, it will tell you like which one you want, Germany, Canada, Russia, or Hong Kong servers. It depends on where you are. If you're in the US or in Canada, you'll have to use Canada. If you're in Latin America, you'll have to use also Canada. In my case, I'm using Germany, but it depends on where you are. After that, you have to go again to the configuration of the miner because this thing goes back to nothing. You see, it's not saying Kaspa. So you have to go back to Kaspa and click Kaspa. Okay, it's important. And then you go apply. In my case, not, because I already have it, and you go to actualize. When you actualize, it will tell you like, do you want to actualize to all miners, and then you will have it. Okay, with that you will be mining Kaspa. It will take a little bit to start. Okay, it starts mining Ethereum right away, but with Kaspa takes some time. And now I'm gonna talk about if I think this is cool, or like if I think it's a good idea or not. First of all, if you want to check how much you're earning or how much your worker is doing, you just need to copy your address without the first part of Kaspa. You go to the pool, you go to miners, and here you can find your address and you can find how much you are making. Okay, here you can see your statistics. As you can see, we are making 200 mega hash for the last like hour, because I have been mining for like 2 hours. It says how much I'm doing, how much I have in Kaspa, and how much do I need to get paid. Okay, if you go to the general stats of Kaspa, to the general stats of the pool, you can see that you're going to be paid every 12 hours if you have at least 100 Kaspa. Okay, but yeah, the payment is not a problem. The real problem is transforming that Kaspa into dollars. Why, Pedro? Well, because Kaspa is a very weird project. It's a very small project. Okay, as you can see, the price of Kaspa is like 0.00007. So basically, you need like 7 cents to be able to take it out. So that's not the problem. The real problem is you can see the price movement is pretty weird, pretty eclectic, and it's profitable because it went up like 7x's. So it's better even to buy and sell. But like the capitalization is small. Okay, it doesn't even say how much capitalization it has. The volume, it says that it's 244,000 in 24 hours. I don't know if it's really true, to be honest. And the only place where you can buy it or sell it is this exchange called TXBit. Okay, you go in here, Cash USDT, and you can buy and sell. But look at this exchange, like, it's super small. Okay, you can see here the order book. This is where you put the orders to buy or to sell your Kaspa, and you can see they don't move. They are very small. I mean, they move a bit, so when someone buys or sells, but the amounts are small, super small. Like, look, $50, $30, $180, $133. Like, it's very, very small amounts. So it's not a scam. I don't think it's a scam, but it's very difficult to sell it. Okay, as you can see here, yesterday we had one bar that went all the way from 0.008 to 15 to 0.004, which means that someone made probably a market order. It sold everything at 1 second, and because of the volume it had, it went down to like 50%. Like, it's just crazy. Okay, so nobody's buying and selling, and in my opinion, it's not worth it to mine. In my opinion, that's why I'm not mining Kaspa. I'm showing you how to do it, but personally, I'm not gonna mine it. Why? First of all, because it's lowering my mega hashes. Okay, if you go to hashrate.no, it says that you're going to be making 59 mega hashes with my card. I don't make 59 mega hashes. My cards only make 56.5. Okay, that's the maximum they make. And I don't make 200 mega hashes like they say that I would be making. They say 250 mega hashes. I'm not. I'm making half. I don't know if it's because my cards are wrong, if I should apply the different combination to get more mega hashes. But at least for Ethereum, there's no way to make it higher, because I already have the memory pretty high. You can see here it's 2000. Mine is 2200. And yeah, the core is 1400. They recommend to 1500. Probably it's because I'm not using the amount of power, but that's the real problem. Look at my cards. They are already in 60 degrees, and the power is on the limit. The limits that I put, 150, 125. Obviously, if I leave the limits, probably they would mine a little bit more, but then I'm going to be using more power. So in my opinion, it's not worth it to use more power to mine this, because as I said, it's kind of worthless. I mean, you are getting a difference in price that you're losing in the hash rate that you're getting in Ethereum, and it's a coin that you don't even know if you're going to be able to sell your coins, because this exchange is super small. So can you mine Kaspa coin? Yes, of course you can mine it. It's super easy to mine. We made the full tutorial here, so if you want to mine it, feel free to go mine it. I think it can be interesting experience to try to check it out, but I don't think it's interesting to mine, and personally I'm not gonna mine it on the long term. You can also check their website. If you go here to CoinGecko, for example, or CoinMarketCap, you can go to their actual website, and you can see it's like a super basic website. They don't really have anything. I don't even know where they came from, and yeah, I don't really think it's a good idea to mine, in my opinion. As you can see, in the last 30 days it did 144%. Actually, I think it did more, but anyways. The point is that it's very difficult to sell it. Okay, this exchange is way too small, like way too small. Like these things don't change. It's gonna be difficult to sell it as soon as you get some volume. So I personally not gonna buy it, but you can do it. Okay, you have it in HiveOs. It's easy to do, and in this video I explain you how to do it. If you like the video, please, I ask as always, leave a good like. If you want more videos like this, you can always subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below or check it out in Instagram. You have the link in the description, and you can come and ask whatever you want. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.